You be that person, that image of yourself that is, you already have it. The person who is having a great time with their high-paying job, a person who is a proud owner of a beautiful dream house, a person who has no fear of holding themselves back from reaching their goal and taking a decision for themselves. Because this is who you are. This is who you have truly become. Your life will change completely, liberating yourself from the past preconditions that have been holding you back until now. And your subconscious mind will begin to reward you in a way that you never imagined before. If nothing is working for your manifestation journey, this is definitely going to help you. It is a real thing. It is going to manifest your desires and dreams while you are sleeping. Your sleep can help you change your reality. It has helped so many people up until now. People have achieved so much in life with this method. It gives amazing results. It really works. In just over 6 months, people have changed their lives completely. From working a small job to taking their career to new heights. People have established their own successful businesses with growth that they couldn't even imagine was achievable. People have bought their own house at a very young age without any mortgage. Even people who were hopeless in life have found their soulmates using this method. By using this technique while they sleep, people have realized their dreams. This one sleeping technique has changed their lives. If they can do it, you can also do it with your life. You can change your life today. Imagine just what new heights you can achieve using this technique. You can also achieve results and make successful changes in your life while you are sleeping. The law of attraction will work for everyone if you do it the right way, because most people get trapped in the conflict between their subconscious and conscious minds. Our conscious mind is a machine that works on logic and explanations. It works on the basis that if this happens, then that will happen. While trying to manifest something in life, somebody will tell you to think ahead of time, like you are already there. Your subconscious mind will not be able to comprehend it completely. The law of attraction tells you to believe that it is already done, but your conscious mind will add reasoning to it, telling you that you have not done anything to be at that point. Your conscious mind will tell you that you are not successful yet. How can you picture it for yourself? Someone will ask you to think from the point of view of the end result, but your mind, your conscious brain, will not be able to break the chronology of time. This creates a barrier for you and your realization of desire. Your conscious mind becomes a hindrance for your subconscious mind to manifest your desires into reality. This is our main motive for imagination. We want our subconscious mind to work for us. But the conscious mind simply does not allow that to happen. But this technique will allow you to reach directly into the functioning of your subconscious mind without any interference from your conscious mind. I'm telling you this because many people have told me that they are unable to imagine themselves with the end results. I understand that it can happen to many people. But one thing that we can agree upon is that our lives are a reflection of who we think we are. Our surroundings are created by the image that we have of ourselves and our lives. People say that we cannot control every external stimulus around us. Whatever is happening on the outside cannot be controlled. But our self-image is something that allows us to change our perspective on life. If we are able to work on our self-image, if we are able to change our self-image on the inside, then we can definitely be in control of whatever is happening on the outside. Your self-image is rooted deep in your subconscious mind. What you think of yourself, what you think you can achieve, and where you believe your limitations stand, all of these things are stored in your subconscious mind as your self-image. This is all that reflects on your external world and manifests as a reality. If you get able to reach into those deep corners of your subconscious mind where this image is stored and change that, then it will also reflect naturally in your external world. But how can we do that? This is someplace where we are unable to reach and change because we do not think much about our self-image. We have this fixed mindset regarding our self-image based on the reviews given to us by external sources that we do not think beyond that point. We start to believe that a certain amount of salary is only what we deserve. Thinking beyond that amount seems to be wild. We start to believe in things such as we do not have a charismatic personality, or we do not have what it takes to be a good public speaker. We start to believe that some people are born leaders and we are not one of those people. We start having this prejudice relating to things in life that add up to make the big picture of success in our lives. And it leads us to a point of stagnation beyond which we simply seem to be helpless. But what we tend to forget is that all of these thoughts are just the result of beliefs that we think are true for ourselves. Pay attention to the word thought here, just a thought. Aren't we all able to change the way we think? Of course, a thought can be changed whenever we decide, the moment we decide to change it. This change in thought will bring about a change in your relationship with the things that are important to you, like your personality, your success, your career, your job, money, and everything else. This image, which is stored in your subconscious mind, can be hard to reach for some people, since we rely mostly on our conscious mind and the thoughts that cross it throughout the day. But the interesting part is that around 60,000 thoughts are created in our unconscious mind every day that we are unaware of. These thoughts massively affect our conscious mind, and our unconscious or subconscious mind is only accessible the most before we are going to bed. The point in time when our conscious mind is extremely tired and only our subconscious mind is aware of our surroundings and is active. Our brain is tired after thinking that we want money in our lives. I want success in my life. I want happiness in my life. All of these things will be amazing if I get them. Now, our subconscious mind is the most active. This is where your ability to become happy and successful in life is stored. But we are stuck in our society, which is run by digital platforms. The digital world is filled with these advertisements, products, services, and whatnot that tell you that if you buy this, you will be happy. If you buy that, your life will be easier and everything else. They want you to be their customers. They want you to be a slave of consumerism, as someone who is stuck in the materialistic world, finding peace with every materialistic purchase. That is what is happening to you right now. The more you lean towards these things, the more you start feeling negative about yourself. You start to lose the self-image that you had for yourself and whose happiness was on the inside. That will be gone from within you. It will create a cycle of unrealistic happiness that will eventually negatively affect your self-image. So you have to begin by keeping in mind that your whole life you have come across things that have affected you negatively, and today is the day that you are going to change that. You're taking a step forward towards a positive life and a positive self-image. This is where the real process begins. As you are going to bed, your body is tired and your conscious mind is exhausted. That is the point where we will be accessing our subconscious mind. Instead of focusing your energy on the things that you want, you start focusing your energy on the person that you want to become. You are no longer in need of things in your surroundings, but you are looking at self-growth from within that will eventually lead you to become the owner of your happiness. The inner self can become the master of everything. View that inner self as the proud owner of the money that you want. Your inner self is already capable of it. Your inner self is already able to radiate that charisma. Your inner self is already that person. It is the change of personality, the new person that you will become with this change in your self-image that brings your manifestations into reality. It all come from within you and not from anywhere else. You be that person, that image of yourself that is, you already have it. The person who is having a great time with their high-paying job, a person who is a proud owner of a beautiful dream house, a person who has no fear of holding themselves back from reaching their goal and taking a decision for themselves. Because this is who you are. This is who you have truly become. Keep on thinking about yourself. Just yourself, as just the person you really want to become. This person is truly who you are. The moment you hit the bed, the moment you are about to go into a sleeping state is where the real magic happens. The hypnotic brainwaves allow your subconscious mind to transform your self-image without any barrier or fear coming from analytical thinking. This is the point where we can easily change our subconscious mind's wiring into a truly positive and rewarding thought process. With the wealth and amazing power of your subconscious mind, you will be able to see the change in real time in your life as soon as you begin to do this. Your life will change completely, liberating yourself from the past preconditions that have been holding you back until now. And your subconscious mind will begin to reward you in a way that you never imagined before.